I always said if I found stuff that I actually like that passed the test, I would share it with you. And I've been missing my MIP and RPM drivers that I used to use. Let me just open this setup for you. So back in the day when I was racing regularly, I was using a set of RPM drivers that was super high quality. In fact, I still have one here. Here is one of the ball end MIP drivers that I've had. Guys, if you see one of these RPM drivers or a set of them second hand, or if you know where to get them new still, let me know. And if you see them second hand, buy them because they are fantastic. Due to financial difficulties, when I got ill, I had to sell all that stuff. But I've just found these on Amazon, guys. They are hardened steel. I'm not sure if they're titanium coated, but my guess is after using them that they might be. But I have been wailing on some of the screws and bolts in here just to test the theory. Let's see how good they really are. Now, as long as you've got high quality hardware, you shouldn't have any problems. Sometimes your hardware's crap and your driver destroys it, or sometimes your hardware's good and it destroys crap drivers. These, there will be an affiliate link. I'm going to try and make a couple of quid on Amazon, guys, by finding decent stuff. If it's got the thumbs up from me, it will be good. It won't be crap. I'm not going to monetize my channel or you and send you down the wrong path for money. That is a promise that you'll get from the RC family. Inside this set, there is a 1.5, a 2. Let me continue to hold that up. There is a 1.5, a 2, a 2.5 and a 3. And there's a 5, a 7 and an 8 in the box drivers. Really good set, guys. If you're going to buy hardware, I'm just going to show you some of the ones I've got, because this is something I'm sure that like those of you that have been around for a while, get a set from TJN. These are the 12.9 grade. Now, there are higher grades, but for what we're doing, I believe the 12.9 is the sweet spot. So get yourself some hardware, and you can buy them in cap head, button head, socket head like these. This is a really good selection. And I didn't think I'd be using the nuts, but I am. And I just backed them with a little bit of Loctite. This is the set that I used to get me started when I got back into the hobby. And these are crap. These have completely ruined. I'm just trying to get the tip to focus. It's not going to. These have completely ruined nuts that shouldn't have got ruined, and they've caused me no end of trouble. So you might think you're saving a few quid, but by the time you've had to buy extraction tools and that, you're really not. So just in case you are interested, this is my parts build. This is completely from parts purchased on the internet. When this build is finished, going to be called Spidey. It's going to be a Spider-Man colour and cartoon style inspired build. When this is ready, there'll be a full video on it, and there will be a link in the description to all of the parts used. Some of those are affiliate, but most of them aren't. I don't make any money from that. I'm just fed up with all the crap that we get in RTR kits, and I wanted to share a build with you that comes in cheaper than an RTR rig after you've sorted it. This isn't cheaper than an RTR. If that's all you can afford, then you are kind of stuck in there. But for this build, it'll be super capable. We've got a really high quality servo in there. We've got the Fusion 1200 SE. I think an 18 might have been better in this build, if I'm honest. We've got loads and loads of torque, super low down crawling capabilities and high spec throughout the chassis. That we've got Mears axles, fake Dravtex, a la Crawler Canyon from AliExpress. These need respringing ever so slightly, but my goodness, these are beautiful once they're built with the right parts. Anyway, if you are interested in this, please give us a thumbs up and stay subscribed. I will be showing you exactly all the parts that are used in this with a full link in that video to everything that was used. And I'll show you, I already know because we've had a little ghost run of it, just how capable this is. That's it for this one. I'm Dwight for the RC family. And remember guys, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.